Hi everyone, this is Imke Alenka Harbig from the Department of Psychology at the University of Klagenfurt in Austria, presenting my dissertation project, Playing Towards Wisdom, Exploring Personal Growth Through Video Games. In a world increasingly marked by complexity, uncertainty, and emotional overwhelm, wisdom is a crucial human asset. Video games, with their unique blend of storytelling, simulation, and interactivity, may offer a surprising and underutilized pathway for cultivating it. Grounded in developmental psychology, this project explores how video games can support personal growth and foster wisdom on a theoretical, practical, and developmental level. It is therefore divided into 3 parts. The first part consists of an integrative literature review that introduces a conceptual framework for how video games could promote wisdom. Drawing on 2 current integrative wisdom models, it identifies mechanisms through which games may support wisdom development on both a state and a trait level. The second part comprises 2 consecutive mixed methods online studies that explores the life insights players gain through their engagement with video games. Study 1 investigates whether players report gaining such insights, and if so, what kinds. And Study 2 examines how these insights are integrated into players' everyday lives. The third part is an in-depth interview study that explores the long-term developmental role of video games across the lifespan. 30 participants take part in autobiographical narrative interviews, reflecting on their experiences with video games in 5-year intervals from childhood to the present. For each interval, participants discuss games that were significant to them, the roles that they played, and the meanings or personal growth they associate with them. These interviews are being analyzed using thematic analysis, aiming to uncover recurring patterns and developmental trajectories related to identity and personal growth. Findings to date suggest that video games may foster wisdom through 4 primary mechanisms. First, they can simulate experiences players may never encounter in real life, enhancing capacities such as empathy and perspective taking. Second, they can prepare players for experiences they likely will encounter and teach them how to manage them. Third, they can serve as tools for processing and integrating past experiences. And fourth, they can act as short-term interventions that activate pre-existing wisdom-related capacities in a player. From a game design perspective, this research underscores the value of narrative-rich, emotionally challenging, and morally complex environments, which appear most conducive to fostering insights and personal growth. Also, several promising future research directions emerge from this work. Most importantly, the conduction of longitudinal studies that track players' wisdom levels and personal growth over time, and experimental studies testing the ability of video game interventions to activate wisdom-related capacities. I'm looking forward to hearing and reading your thoughts on this project. Thank you for your time.